Alrighty, guys. It says Talasia works at an hourly rate of $12.25 per hour, and she worked 46 hours last week. She earns overtime for hours exceeding 40 hours. She is paid overtime at a rate of time and a half. What was her gross pay last week? Well, we know that gross pay is made up of her regular time plus her overtime pay. So we're going to say regular pay plus overtime pay equals her gross pay. But we don't really know any of these yet. We're going to have to do some work. To find her regular pay, to find her regular pay, I know that regular hours is 40 hours per week. So I'm going to say hours times hourly rate. So if she worked 40 hours at $12.25 per hour, then I know her regular pay, and I'm going to put this into my calculator. 40 times 12.25 is $490. So I'm going to put that down here. All right, so now I have to find her overtime pay. All right, and I know that if she worked 46 hours, she has 6 hours of overtime. So hours times overtime rate. So she worked 6 hours of overtime because 46 minus 40 means that 6 of her hours were overtime. Now, overtime rate, remember we take the original rate, $12.25, and multiply that times 1.5. That gives me time and a half. So I'm going to put that in my calculator. 12.25 times 1.5 means that she makes $18.38. I had to round that. $18.38 per hour overtime. So now, sorry about that, I'm going to multiply the hours, the number of hours overtime, which is 6, times the overtime rate. And I get 6 times 18.38 is $110.28. Okay? Now, remember, we said that we add the regular pay plus the overtime pay to get gross pay. So now I know that my regular pay is $490. The overtime pay is $110.28. So I can add those together to get her gross pay. And when I do that, I get $600.28. Whew, that was a lot of steps. I hope that helps.